Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A52? The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G has now been released in the US, UK, and Australia after being revealed in March 2021. You can buy it for $499, £399, $799 SIM-free, with a variety of deals available on contract. In a sense, Samsung's Galaxy A52 5G is designed to have a solid build without the bells and whistles that you would find on a flagship model. For that reason, you may feel the build is a bit cheaper with its plastic rear and aluminum frame. It doesn't feel as premium as Samsung's top-end phones, but it feels sturdy enough in the hand that we did not dislike its design. This is not an ultra-small device given the 6.5-inch display. Despite being a cheaper handset, its dimensions are quite large, measuring 159.9 by 75.1 by 8.4 millimeters. It weighs 189 grams, which is neither heavy nor light for a smartphone of this type. Among the 4 colors available, 2 of them are especially vivid and eye-catching. You can choose between black, white, blue or violet. The handset is also IP67 certified dust and water resistant. It is difficult to find anything particularly exciting about the design of the Galaxy A52 5G, but some may be delighted to find that Samsung has kept the 3.5mm headphone jack, which can be found on the bottom edge of the device. Super AMOLED technology is used in this display, which has a full HD plus resolution, and with 800 nits of brightness, it looks fantastic at full brightness. If you're looking for a smartphone to watch video on, you will not be disappointed with this display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2400, which is sufficient, but does not have the same pixel density as QHD displays like older models of the Galaxy S series. One of the major improvements over previous Galaxy A models is the inclusion of a 120Hz screen, which is a feature usually reserved for flagship phones. There is also a fingerprint scanner built into the screen, which we found to generally function well. If you anticipate using 5G connectivity at some point, we strongly recommend choosing a phone with 5G support rather than one without. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor drives this device. You won't get a top-end experience with this chipset, but it's powerful enough to handle most tasks without becoming frustrating. It is available in either 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage or 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, but we were unable to locate the latter model in either the US, UK or Australia, so it seems you are limited to the first option. If additional space is required, there is a microSD card slot supporting up to 1TB. Compared to Samsung's flagship phones, which recently ceased to support microSD, this is a significant difference. Therefore, this handset offers a greater storage capacity than any variant of the Galaxy S21. We found the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G's camera to be quite impressive in real life as well. The A52 5G can even compete with the Google Pixel 4a, which is a top smartphone camera at this price point. In addition to the 64MP main sensor with optical image stabilization and an aperture of f/1.8, there is also a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP depth sensor, and a 5MP macro lens. This smartphone does not feature a telephoto lens, so zoom quality degrades fairly quickly. We found the quality of the ultra-wide lens and macro camera to be sufficient, but it is not comparable to the main camera. Inside that punch hole at the top center of the screen is a 32MP selfie camera. We have found selfie shots to be satisfactory, and we have also had success using it for video calls. We would be surprised if you have any complaints about the front-facing camera. With a 4500 mAh battery, the Galaxy A52 5G offers a company-claimed 2-day battery life. It was capable of lasting a full day in most cases, and we would often need to recharge it at night with between 30% and 10% left over. If you do use the phone frequently, there is 25 watts fast charging that will allow you to charge the phone up to half capacity in just 30 minutes. We tested this feature using the charger provided in the box, however, and found that it did not work because there's only a 15 watts charger.